The question we're tackling today is, what's a HERO loan? HERO stands for Home Energy Renovation Opportunity. These are loans that allow homeowners to borrow money to make home improvements and then pay it back through their property tax bill. And that can sound like a great idea, but make sure you read the fine print before taking on a HERO loan. And there's a couple things you want to be aware of. The first is, despite what some of the salespeople may tell you, these are not generally assumable loans. And so if you have any thoughts of selling your home, you want to make sure that the improvements that you're making are going to add at least what you're spending, because that loan is likely going to have to be paid off in full prior to your transferring the property to someone else. And we have encountered situations where people took out HERO loans and made improvements that didn't add what they spent. The second thing that you should be aware of is whether or not there's going to be any prepayment penalty. We have encountered situations where homeowners still had to pay the financing fee they would have paid over time, even though they weren't paying it over time. So be sure always to read the fine print before entering any contracts or agreements. If we can answer any other questions for you, please let us know. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California. Thank you.